Thanks for logging on to WCBI.com. I'm meteorologist Jacob Dickey. We've got a big weather system winding up across the middle part of the United States, including through our area. Some showers and thunderstorms are ahead of this cold front coming in our direction this morning. And as that front passes through, then blustery winds will continue through the afternoon and evening, filtering in cold air. On the backside, within the next 12 hours, we may then have to deal with a wintry mix across parts of our viewing area. As far as for highs today on this Saturday, they will be in the low 60s, believe it or not. We'll be at the 62 in Aberdeen, 61 in Amory, and in Tupelo, 60 in Oxford and in Water Valley. Over in West Alabama, more mid-60s there, 64 in Solent, 65 in Reform, Aliceville at 66. And then in the Golden Triangle, I've got 63 in Starkville, West Point, and in Columbus, 64 Louisville, Macon at 65. We'll get to 60 in Winona. The key about the warm air, though, is that the highs are actually going to be in the morning hours. We're going to be at our warmest part during the morning before lunch. Once that front passes through, it is all downhill from there. Temperatures will be falling into the 30s by tonight. Even the wind chill values, with that wind factored in, it will feel like the low 20s out there after 9 p.m. With the warm air, we've got some strong storms we've got to talk about for the day Saturday. Slight risk exists for most of West Alabama, as well as the Golden Triangle and points south to the north. Then marginal risk level 1 out of 5 is in effect. Main threat's going to be from 5 a.m. until 12 p.m. for damaging wind gusts in excess of 60 miles an hour. Won't rule out an isolated tornado. We continue to monitor that threat, and then we'll have to deal with some heavy rain in some spots. Here's what Futurecast is showing. Notice a lot of showers and thunderstorms out there during the morning hours as this batch of storms moves on through. Some of those storms could be stronger with that damaging wind potential. Even the chance for an isolated tornado really through the mid-morning hours. Once those storms then push off to the east by early afternoon, we will, for the most part, clear that severe threat to the east there. We'll have to watch and see some of these more showers and storms pushing on through that Futurecast shows. But those are going to be more cold, and maybe we have to deal with some sleet, perhaps a little bit of flurries by the time supper rolls around for many of us across the area. Some isolated wintry mix is expected. The good news, though, is that no impacts are expected across the area, but still looks like a good chance for many of us to see some sort of wintry mix in spots there. No accumulation. No impacts. The ground is simply too warm for things to handle. Other than that, we do have a wind advisory for all of West Alabama and North Mississippi for this afternoon, tonight, and into the Sunday morning. Winds could be as high as 35 to 45 mile an hour gusts at times with that cold air rushing on in. Very powerful cold front, really going to set the stage for Arctic air to invade our region over the next couple of really next day or two as things shake out. Here's what the future wind chill values look like. We've got wind chills in the 50s and 40s, quickly dropping to the 20s, even teens by Saturday. Maybe Futurecast is a little aggressive here, but it gets the point across. It will be bitter cold tonight into tomorrow, especially with those blustery winds in place. And we're going to stay that way. Those future wind chill values keeping us in the 20s really through the entire day on Sunday into Monday morning before we maybe are able to lower the wind and get a little sunshine back in place. As far as the next 7 days across our area, we're going to focus on Saturday. That's the main event. We're looking at those stronger storms in the morning. We also are expecting then that wintry mix into the afternoon and the evening. The high on Saturday is in the morning. It's temperatures falling through the afternoon, then cold and blustery on Sunday, some sunshine expected by Monday. We'll be dealing with our next chance of rain Tuesday, Wednesday, and on Thursday.